Emergence of autonomous states. After decline of the Mughal Empire, several states autonomous emerged all over India. In some states, they were nominally under Mughal rule, but for all practical purposes, they functioned as independent states. Prominent autonomous states were Sikhs, Marathas, Bengal, Awadh, Hyderabad, including Karnataka and Mysore. The Maratha Confederacy. The Maratha kingdom emerged powerful under Shivaji and his successors and fought the Mughals to assert their independence. Grandson of Shivaji, Sahu, was imprisoned by Aurangzeb and released only after the death of Aurangzeb in 1707. After the death of Shivaji, succession war was won by Sahuji with the help of Balaji Vishwanath. Sahu made Peshwa the chief minister of Maratha kingdom. Gradually, Peshwas became powerful and became real rulers of the Maratha kingdom. Balaji Vishwanath recaptured the lost territories to the Mughals, gained the right to collect Chaut and Sardeshmukhi taxes, helped the Sayyid brothers in overthrowing the Mughal ruler Farooq Siyar, laid the foundation of Peshwa dynastic rule. Bajirao I. Balaji Vishwanath was succeeded by Bajirao I. He was a great military statesman, led successful campaigns against Mughals and other territorial powers. Holkar, Scindia, Bhosle and Gaikwad powers rose to prominence during his rule. Maratha Empire became Maratha Confederacy. Balaji Bajirao, successor of Bajirao I. Peshwas became the official head. Capital shifted from Satara to Pune. Influence of the Marathas extended from Delhi in the north to Tamil Nadu in south. Conflict of Marathas with Ahmad Shah Abdali, and they were defeated in the Third Battle of Panipat. Bengal, one of the richest provinces of Mughal Empire. Murshid Kuil Khan exploited the situation and made Bengal an autonomous province, but paid taxes to the Mughal Empire. Murshid Quli Khan promoted administrative efficiency by making revenue administration simple and established law and order. Aliwardi Khan. He promoted trade and commerce. He also prevented the English and French from forfeiting their settlements from Calcutta and Chandler Nagore. Siraj ud Dawla. Aliwardi Khan was succeeded by Siraj ul Dawla. He was the last independent ruler of Bengal. He was defeated in the Battle of Plassey in 1757. Causes of success of East India Company in Bengal. The Nawabs failed to understand the true motives of the East India Company, and they could never imagine the East India Company had the ambition of conquering Bengal. The administration of Bengal had many corrupt nobles and officials. Awadh. Sadat Khan was made the governor of Awadh in 1722.